How to turn on or turn off your YouTube comments through your mobile app? Well, let me show you how it's done. So first things first, for your mobile to access your YouTube account, you need to download this app called YouTube Studio. It is available in the Play Store, and also it's available for Android, for Apple devices on the App Store. So all you have to do is download this first. This app is the one which gives us all the control over our YouTube channel. So once you've downloaded YouTube Studio, all you have to do is go to YouTube Studio and go to the specific video that you want your comments to be disabled or enabled. So for this, all you have to do is come here, and in the bottom you can see there is this thing called content. Once you click on it, you can see all the videos that have been uploaded on your YouTube channel. Now let's say I want to disable the comments for this one video right here, how to get Premiere Pro for free. So I click on it, and once I click on it, you can see on the top right corner there is this pencil symbol, which is the edit symbol. I click on it, and over here in the bottom section you can see there is this thing called more options, and here there is this thing called comment visibility. Now this is what gives us all the control over our comments. You can either allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, hold all comments for review, or disable comments. Well, the first and the last options are pretty much understandable. So allow all comments is enabling, disable comments is disabling all the comments. So let's say I want to disable the comments for this video, and that's pretty much it. All you have to do is go back and click on save. You should not forget to click on save, because otherwise your changes will be discarded. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down below on what next video we should make. Until then, bye bye. See you next time.